express with ease using a comfortable and personalised expressing sequence with the Memory Plus feature on the Ardo Alyssa.
When you find which settings with the Ardo Alyssa are most comfortable for you and the milk flows best, you can save the whole expressing session, which saves the settings used and the duration at the click of a button. At the end of your expressing session, press the Memory Plus button. 2 beeps will confirm that the session has been saved, the button will light up white and the pump will turn off. Or on the app, swipe across to Memory Plus, tap Save, then the pump will turn off.
You can then easily replay the saved session.
Next time you turn on the pump, it will automatically start in Memory Plus, and the Memory Plus button will flash during the expressing session.
It then automatically switches off after the saved expressing sequence and duration has been replayed.
This simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on relaxing during your expressing session. When replaying a saved session, the vacuum increases gradually according to the saved settings.
An expressing sequence is a combination of vacuum strength and cycle frequency. You can personalise your expressing sequence to suit your needs and easily save it with Memory Plus.
You can exit Memory Plus at any time by adjusting the vacuum or cycle settings or by selecting another function.
The saved expressing sequence remains the same and the Memory Plus button lights up white. The next time you turn on your breast pump, it will automatically start in Memory Plus. To save a new expressing sequence and overwrite the old one, hold down the Memory Plus button until it beeps twice. The button will then flash to confirm it has saved. The pump will then turn off.
Or on the app, tap Save.
To delete a saved expressing sequence when the pump is turned on,
hold down the Memory Plus button until it is no longer lit up, or tap Delete in the app.
On the My Ardo app, you can view a detailed history of the settings used. Of course, you can still use the pump itself to do all these functions. Click the link below if you want to learn more.